goodness. What up, man? Hey, I'm videoing you too, man. There you go, see? Somebody that knows how to video. Stick their head out the window, full on, get a great shot. That's all you gotta do, man. Man, what's up, girl? I don't think she's interested. She don't like green guys. Hey, lady, green lives matter too. What's up, man? What's going on? Cool, man. Enjoy the weekend. Hey. Hi, sweetheart. It ain't loaded down yet. Purpose. What's up, man? Trucker! Mother trucker! Alright. Still got the phone. That ain't broke off yet. Sure. What up, man? I don't know what that means, but peace, brother. He gave me the alligator mouth symbol. Anybody know what that means? Maybe I need to do an alligator helmet. Maybe he wants me to do an alligator helmet. I don't know. Good idea, bro. Hey, leave as friends. We left as friends, bro. I like it. Good motto. What company is that? 3 Men Movers. Leave as friends. Hey, you got a free plug today, bro. All because you did the alligator motion. What's up, man? I see y'all kids. What up, bro? Yeah, I don't know if the camera can see your deuce, but I see you. I'm not sure if I scared her or she scared the shit out of me, but that was rough. Watch who I'm looking at. She's liable to jump out and eat me. Good night. Might have to take a bathroom break. I think I just pissed in my pants. Oh my god. That's Blanka et. That's Blankes. Woo! Lordy. What's up, brother? Can you imagine somebody roll up on you looking fucking like crazy like this? What up, man? I come in peace. Get around this egg timer. Hey, Clark Griswold. Finally came in handy. What up? Honk if you're horny. Somebody was. That's 2 horny people in a matter of a minute. Damn, Houston's horny. Uh-oh, the cop. I better be on my best behavior. He's like, what in the hell is that? Honey, did you see that? It's a fucking alien. Or some kind of a monster on a bike. I know, honey. It's Houston. It's Texas. There's a bunch of crazies here, man.